Gujia is a traditional Indian sweet dish that is typically made during festive occasions like Holi and Diwali. It is a deep-fried pastry that is filled with a sweet filling of coconut, dry fruits, and khoya, dried milk solids. However, if you want to make a healthier version of gujia, you can try the following recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons ghee or coconut oil, 1/4 cup jaggery or coconut sugar, half cup grated coconut, 1/4 cup chopped almonds, 1/4 cup chopped cashews, 1/4 cup raisins, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, add the whole wheat flour and ghee or coconut oil. Mix well and add enough water to form a smooth dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for 20 minutes. In a non-stick pan, add the jaggery or coconut sugar and let it melt on medium heat. Once the jaggery has melted, add the grated coconut, chopped almonds, cashews, raisins, and cardamom powder. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Roll out the dough into small circles of equal size. Place a tablespoon of the filling mixture on one half of the circle and fold the other half over to make a semicircle. Seal the edges with a fork or your fingers. Place the gujia on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Let the gujia cool down and serve. This healthier version of gujia is a great alternative to the traditional deep-fried version. It is still delicious and will satisfy your sweet tooth, but without all the unhealthy fats and calories. Enjoy! Like and subscribe the channel.